Welcome you all to this video of the Pixie haircuts. Yeah, today in this video, we're just gonna be looking at these unstoppable bold black ladies on Pixie haircuts. Yeah, the last video I did was the silk press because a lot of gray hair sisters don't really know they can actually get the silk press done on their gray hair. So here is the Pixie haircut. So this haircut is basically for those women that doesn't like their hair touching their faces, or they don't like their hair disturbing them or touching their necks. So this Pixie haircut is a low budget maintenance haircut. Yeah, after getting the haircut done in the salon, every other styling can be done by yourself at home. Just get your styling tools. You don't need a straightener to get this done. Just get your hair wrap, your hair mousse, and you are good to go for the Pixie. And you just style it the way you want. You want to give it a C part, a center part, a side part, whichever part you want to give it, and that is fine. Then whenever it's your hair it's trying to growing out, then you can go give it another sharp cut. That is how easy it is to maintain this Pixie haircuts. So guys, stay tuned, keep watching, because you see a lot of beautiful women cutting their hair, like getting a big chop from the Pixie, from the long length to the Pixie haircut. And also I want to talk about the purple shampoo. The purple shampoo, a lot of people ask me the question which shampoo they're going to use for their gray hair. The best shampoo you're going to use for your gray hair is the purple shampoo, because when you have this yellow kind of hue on your gray hair, like yellow kind of color on your gray hair, the purple shampoo will give you just this silver look. After using the purple shampoo, is going to get rid of those colors you have on your gray hair, those yellow colors. So it's just going to give you a very smooth silver look, and that is the reason for the purple shampoo. And also it brings out the beauty of your gray hair and it makes it smooth and silky. So stay tuned and keep watching, guys. hairstyles done, if you want to go for the low cuts, that is perfect. Whatever hairstyle will make you comfortable, make you look beautiful and easy to maintain, that is what you should go for. You shouldn't go for what people do. Go for what you can do and what you can continue with. So that is what I advise you all to go for. So I want you to keep loving yourself, loving God, having faith, and also to wish you a very, very happy Christmas in this season of Christmas. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and thanks for watching, and thanks for also subscribing.